In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your oil on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. Your oil filter and oil pan are located underneath the vehicle. Using a 17mm socket, you're going to loosen up your drain plug a little bit. You're going to move your drain pan over, get it ready to catch the oil. The rest you're going to do by hand. Push in on the plug as you unscrew it so that it holds the oil at bay. And then when it's totally out, you can do a quick get it out of the way so you don't get drenched in oil. In order to take off the washer, it should just come off pretty easily, but sometimes they get stuck and squashed because they've been reused so many times. So you will have to pry it away and unscrew it off the drain plug. So if you see your drain plug and it seems like there's two pieces right there, you're probably right. So separate it, unscrew it, and then install your new one. And now we're going to put it in. You're going to torque your drain plug to 29 foot-pounds after you hand tighten it. All right, you're going to use an oil filter wrench, and you are going to loosen up your oil filter. Once you get it so it's moving on its own, with a little bit of help, you're going to unscrew it by hand. I usually let it hang there while it gets the initial oil off or out. Once you get a slow drip, you can take it the rest of the way. Otherwise, you'll get oil going down your arm, and that's never fun. Make sure your oil filter gasket is still on the oil filter and not stuck up there. Okay, before installing, you're going to put some oil on the gasket, and you're also going to clean it up there. You can just use a rag. Wipe it clean, make sure there's no debris, dirt, grime. Once it's done draining, you can install. You're going to spin it on. Hand tight, and then you can use your wrench to go 1/4 of a turn. Do not over tighten your oil filter. You don't need to. All right, and then just 1/4 of a turn is usually all you need. And that's good. All right, before we do this oil change, you can take your engine cover off if you want, or you don't have to. All right, so we're going to take off our oil cap. It should say right on it what this vehicle takes. This one's 5W20. Put your funnel in. And this takes 3.5 quarts of oil. All right, so here's our half. I'll put the cap back on. All right, so before starting the vehicle, I'm going to check the oil. It should be above full. And the reason for that is because the oil filter does not have the oil in it yet. So when we start it up, it'll force it in there, and then we're going to recheck it. All right. So now that we've started the vehicle, we're going to check our oil again. I'm going to check it one more time. We may have to add a little bit more. It looks like it's at full on the back side of the stick. So I'm going to say it's full. I'm going to wait a little while and check it again later when all the oil is back in the oil pan. Once you're sure that your oil is full, you can start it up, take it for a road test. Now we can put our engine cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.